Are you a board newbie? Are you looking for technical guidance, or do you need to remind yourself how to achieve your desired results within board? All the board knowledge is at your fingertips in the board eLearning platform. You can scroll amongst various tutorial modules, from administration and configuration to procedure engineering, from database modeling to capsule design. You can search for your favourite tutorial or design your own learning path by taking some inspirations from the best use guidelines of the eLearning platform. You can track your progress and follow the learning path step by step. Each tutorial is enriched with real-life business case examples to give your technical knowledge the right business context. Hyperlinks with extra resources such as wiki links and the board online help are also available. Learn when, where and what you like.